Imagine each letter can stretch the sound forever, turning a short note into a long lullaby. That's the magic of had in the Quran. Welcome, dear learner. I'm glad you're here. In Arabic, a short vowel can grow. When a fatha, dai, is followed by the letter al-alif, e, the sound stretches from a quick a to a long a. Think of it like a single beat holding a chord. If a kasra, about e, meets ye, the I becomes a prolonged I. When a dhamma shu meets wa, the ua turns into a smooth oo. These are called mad letters, and they are the pillars that raise the melody of the Quran. Let's hear the mad in action. In Surah Al-Fatiha, the word bismi or bismi uses ya after kasra to produce bc. In Surah Al-Imran, khayran, features a mad of ya after the short I. The name Allah, shows a long I brought by al-alif after a fatha. When you read boo in Surah Al-Qiyamah, the wa turns the short u into a long oo. Notice how each long vowel is a deliberate pause, a breath held in the word. Now you try. Repeat after me. Raḥmāni 1, ba, and ba, 2, b, mighty b, 3, boo, 4, ba, li, bala, fib, b, n, bini, 6, boo, n, buno. Remember, a fatha plus al-alif makes a kasra plus ya makes I, and a dhamma plus wa makes u. These long vowels lift the rhythm of the Quran. In the next lesson, you'll learn to read your first real word, Bismillāhi, Raḥmāni, or Raḥīm. Until then, keep stretching those sounds.